With
Ano yun? Against that.
So, ayan guys, nandito si Beshi, my Beshi, and ngayon, tapos ko nang natanong sina Melmar, si Maring Mars, si Gwen Kumang, si Bating. So ngayon, dahil nandito ka, ikaw naman ang tatanungin ko ngayon. How's life?
Life! Ha? Eto, life is simple and hindi na masyadong busy. Hindi na rin masyadong stress dun sa bahay. Like dati, di ba? Parang nakaka-stress. You know, nagpupunta ka dun dati sa bahay, nakaka-stress yung sitwasyon, may ginagawa, tapos may mga pasaway. Now, simple na lang ang life. Yes, very simple and relaxing. Which is, yun yung maganda. Nandun na tayo sa phase na chill na lang tayo. Chill. This is the true chill. Wala ka nang inaalala. Wala ka nang nakakain na ba to? Or nakapagluto na ba? Or, my God, wala na ba tayong may bigas pa ba tayo? Or anong ulamin natin mamayang gabi? Alam mo yon, parang chill na lang. Nagko-contribute na lang tayo dito sa farm.
So, ngayon naman, tatanungin kita kung yung sahod mo noon at ngayon, may diferensya na ba?
Actually, paiba-ibang case ko.
Why?
Ako, pag kung sahod ang tatanungin mo, sinecure ko naman ever since na maging stable, na magkaroon lagi, hindi mawawalan. 2 years or 3 years na rin akong meron talagang sahod. Minsan lang merong sahod na mataas, sobrang taas. Minsan may sahod na sobrang baba. So, ilang months ako ngayon na sakto lang. Yung sakto lang din. Oo, kung ano sinasahod ko dati sa call center ako, yun ang sinasahod ko for the past several months. Pero now, meron na ulit tayong bagong Facebook. Kasi yung Facebook nating bago is Mia Calauca MK. Pero yung dating 160,000 na Mia Calauca Ilocana, hindi ko ma-access talaga. Hindi ko mabawi, hindi ko ma-access. Kasi yung personal account na ginamit ko doon is dinisable ni Facebook.
Oh my God.
Personal account na nag-admin doon, dinisable ng Facebook ko. So, alam mo, ang lesson ko doon is dapat sa isang page, maglagay ka ng 5 hanggang 10 admin. Lalo na malaki yung income generation ng page mong yan. Hindi lang dapat isang admin. Madami dapat ang mag-admin sa'yo. More than 3, sabihin na natin. Nung tumawag ako sa call center ng Facebook, sabi, I suggest you should have 1 or 2 of your family. So you as an admin and then 1 or 2 of your family. So that's already 3 of you who has control and admin rights to the page. Any one of your family or your best friend or anything like that. So that heavily impacted me. Kasi ang laki ng engagement ng page na yon. But now, for now, nag-grow na rin naman yung Mia Calauca MK and thank you Lord at nag-monetize na rin ulit siya. So, I am now targeting at least kung hindi the same as before, at least comparable. Comparable. Or if not, mahigitan pa yung kung anong dati. Kasi, you know me naman, I work in a scenario or in a workplace where I was taught to be competitive or I was trained to engage. I was trained to have a goal, a weekly goal, a monthly goal, a yearly goal. And that's really very difficult if you're just lying down and not performing. So for me, parang on a daily basis, whenever I wake up, whatever time would that be, parang I just want to show part of any performance throughout that day, kahit umabot hanggang gabi, may performance ka at least. Because whatever performance you have for this day, it will contribute and impact positively on your future, on the future days coming ahead.
True.
Kasi minsan hindi natin alam, bumagyo, hindi na tayo makapag-vlog noon, ay wala na tayong magawa, like ganito, ganyan. Simpleng umulan lang ng malakas, hindi na makalabas o makapalengke kasi ganito, ganyan. So, anong magiging outcome nito para sa atin? So, it's going to be really a negative engagement. So, at least keep our engagement, keep our high hope, at yung sana mabawi ulit natin ni Akala Ko MK. Pag nangyari yung dalawa ng page ko.
So, you're, ano pa rin?
I am,
what do you call that?
I am now at least, trying to stabilize these, SOCMED, these media platforms that I have.
You still want to get back your old account na nawala?
Of course. Ano ba requirement ko doon? I still haven't really focused on meron na ako mga requirements, pero yung may makausap lang talaga akong tamang agent or tamang supervisor para tulungan ako dun sa case, then that would be great. So far wala pa akong nakausap.
So ilang digit yung sahod mo noon?
Noon I'm getting 6
digit.
And yun na nga yung problem. You're getting 6, but then since you're getting 6 digits, and parang yung mali ko din is hindi ako mahilig mag-save. Party lang ako everyday. So I had so much fun, but then now you tend to mature, and then you realize that no, you need to save at least, put something in your bank for the rainy days. Although may bahay na tayo, ganyan. But how about the rainy days? Ganyan. So, yun ang pinaka-importante mo, at least na i-focus yourself on. It's not just focusing on your target, your metrics, yung ganyan. You need to focus on future events as well.
True. And ngayon, ilang digit ka ngayon?
Yun na, nasa 5 digits tayo. Ganun pa din.
Still good.
Still good. Comparable to working in my previous job for the past 15 years, working in the international business process outsourcing industry. And I used to be a case manager.
Wow.
And then I've been into training and development. I've also been through research and development for the company. I've also tried technology, communications, and service.
Grabe na to. So, can you reveal at least your sahod, the exact amount?
Depende na siya ngayon. And then, may mga times na pero yun na nga, comparable na rin siya sa working in the call center industry. As a tenured, if yung mga viewers, alam nila yung tenured, alam na nila yun. Very comparable.
So, last question, pinakamalaking sahod na nakuha mo sa pag-vlogging?
In just 1 month, kasi monthly talaga yung sahod natin.
Pinakamalaki talaga yung
way back, nasa PBB House si Brenda. Kasi kami nag-engagement noon. Half.
True? As in? Grabe. And then, paano mo siya?
Namili ako ng mga investment, mga alahas. And now, at least, nasa bahay na din yung mga investment na yun, yung mga alahas. Oo. That time, and then mga gadget. Kinumpleto ko yung iPhone, tablet, laptop, iPhone na isa, iPhone, iPad, tapos MacBook, ito.
Grabe.
Oo, grabe. Tapos, party.
So,
nakakaloka, pero masaya.
And now, are you happy with your...
I'm happy seeing the growth. I'm happy with the experiences. Kasi, you know what, when I used to work, meron kami mga training manager, meron tayong mga managers in the, in the business industry. corporate industry, meron tayong manager, may business manager, may team leader ka, may supervisor ka pa. But now, I'm the one who's actually experiencing everything. And you know what I can call myself is I am the CEO of my own. Ako yung owner nito. Kung anong experience ko nito as an admin, ako pa rin ang may responsibility. Ako yung may admin access. And so, I learned a lot being an admin to myself. And walang magtuturo sa akin nun, kundi sarili ko lang din.
Yes.
As someone who has a lot of experience in technology and software, and yun. Actually, I also access Meta software development dito. So, ang dami-dami ko natututunan. Hindi lang siyang ganun kadali. Pero, may mistakes ako. Kung ano yung mga mistakes ko, natuto tayo. Yun lang.
Yes.
Then I can share it. And that's it.
Ah!
Huh?
Ang tas ng storya mo.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Beshi,
Thank you,
for
everyone, and
sharing
I hope you
your...
learn a lot. You learn something from me. I hope I can also impart more strategies on how to keep and maintain your engagement as a content creator.
Yes.
But for most people out there, I know they want to be a content creator. You just give it yourself. Give yourself time.
Yes.
Give yourself more time. Because you know what? I was able to achieve what I am unable to achieve at that time when I had work and nagiging content creator na rin ako. You know that the time that I was able to achieve more is when nag-focus na ako sa pagiging content creator. I cannot be a worker or someone who is employed and then being a content creator all at the same time. You know, I'm more focused now as a content creator than before, nahati, and then mas may naging advantage yun. Napag-aralan ko yung system, napag-aralan ko yung workflow, ako na rin ang gumawa sarili ko, and na-manage ko yung sarili ko with ups and downs, but now we're back on track.
Yes. Thank you, Beshi. Wala na akong masabit. Thank you. And yun lang.
It's Mia Kaloka MK.
Yes.
Yung bago natin page. Follow lang.
Follow.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.